It's been a year since Jim underwent a huge life change, and he barely let me give him a complete makeover. If my theory holds true, when you change the outside, something inside clicks and a new journey can begin. Today we're going to check in with Jim and see where he is on his journey. And I'm going to have him read your YouTube comments, because he's not a YouTube guy, but I want him to see what you said because some of them were hilarious. First, let's get to know Jim Pabst. He does concrete construction for some celebrity homes in Malibu, California. He's a rugged guy and he's usually outdoors, and his white beard gets him a lot of attention.
I'm like, people want to take my picture on the job with me because they think I look like ZZ Top, Santa Claus in the December time. Because I got the red complexion and the white hair and the blue eyes. They call me Santa Claus. I've been good. I go, what? I've been good. And then they kept coming up all day and saying that. And I go, what are you guys talking about? And they said, I've been good, Santa. And then I knew.
I'm taking Jim to my friends at Elevate to have a custom suit designed for this makeover.
Let's go into the VIP room here.
Jim, what is this like? Like, you're like living the celebrity lifestyle today.
Yes, I am. I feel very important right now. Maybe we won't even have to cut my beard.
No, that we're gonna have to do.
I said, I haven't seen my face since 2012 because that's when the Duck Dynasty started. So it's been 8 years, so I'm kind of scared to see my face.
It's not easy to keep it on with the beard, huh? Okay, socially distanced makeover, here we go.
Let's do it.
You can see a real good-looking guy under there.
Oh my God! Hello! Let me see it. You call that a soul patch?
Yeah, soul patch.
Okay. So we have the inspiration here.
Yes.
And, you know, I think he was looking like down and out in Beverly Hills for a while. Remember that?
This is going to be a life-altering event for him. He's had, you know, the heart attack, which is one life-altering event. This is going to help him through all of the experiences and the stages post-heart attack that you have. He's zooming right through that with this.
Especially during a pandemic too.
Yeah.
I feel like a lot of people are starting new chapters of their lives through like the difficulties and hardships that they go through. So,
You guys ready?
We're ready.
Here we go.
Oh my goodness, look at you! For crying out loud! Holy cow! Look at you! Fantastic!
Awesome. Oh my God.
That's amazing. From caveman to man about town.
It's been exactly a year since Jim bravely updated his look. So I invited him in to film a video update. What's up, Jim? I'm taking him to see one of the best barbers in Los Angeles, Ira Terrell. And no video with me is complete without a quick haircut. All right, guys, so you can see Jim is sticking with the changes. He's not smoking weed again, and he's gone country, which is pretty cool. Now, there's one thing that I have as a surprise for Jim, and that is the YouTube comments that you have all left so kindly, and some not so kind, but they're hilarious. I have loaded them onto an iPad, so Jim's going to go through and read them and respond.
Let's see how he looks a year later. Ta-da! No Life Kevin says Jewish rabbi. And that's funny because when I'd go to the gym, a couple of times people would ask me if I was a rabbi. You say, I had hair on my hands. That's a man thing. Well, thank you, Nathan, for that. Everybody needs prayers. That looks like me. My nephew sent that. He has an Irish Wolfhound, and I resemble it. My brother Michael, love you, little brother. Love you too, Michael. Diane, you look great. Keep that beard off. Women like it, like to see a face. Thank you. How about this? Looking better before why people want others to shave. I sometimes agree with that one right there. I feel like I looked much cooler when I had my hair. Killing Santa. That's funny. I've always looked like Santa. But Santa's still around. Santa never died. Santa will never die. So long, everybody, and I want to thank Ira and Jessica and everybody for trying to make me look good.
You guys keep the comments coming because we're going to be sending them to Jim and making him read them.
Check us out on YouTube.
He's single too, ladies.
And I'll be in Colorado if anybody's out that way. I'm going to be on the Alpaca Ranch. Foreman.
Awesome. Bye, guys.
Later.
Thanks for the memories, Jim. Enjoy your adventure. I'll be here on YouTube looking for my next makeover.